'cause I'm somebody new. Because I'm no one but you. English only. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Food lover Deepa. Thank you, thank you. Bigyan natin ng moderators, Food Deepa. How are you, sister? Thank you for coming, sister. Yan, hello. Like Dan, thank you so much. Thank you for the support. I'm in the car, that's why it's dark. I'm fine. Oh, thank you so much that you are fine. Namaste, namaste. I'm fine. Thank you so much. Food lover Deepa. Food lover Deepa, yan.
Dito tayo.
Ba't dito ka?
Ay, ikaw tayo. Sir, ikaw tayo, sir. Bawal dito.
Walang bawal-bawal sa akin. Joyce TV Vlogs, Ma'am Joyce. Thank you po sa tamsak number 2. Dito ako sa kotse, ma'am, habang nag-LS. Kasi wala akong oras, ma'am, eh. Kaya dito na lang. Gandang gabi po, host. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Kumusta na ating channel, ma'am? Gandang gabi po sa lahat. Food lover Deepa. Sabi ni Ma'am Joyce. Thank you, thank you. Salamat sa inyo. Love, love me do. You know I love you. I always be true. So please love me do. Thank you, Ma'am Joyce. Kumusta ka dyan, ma'am? Hindi na ulan dyan sa inyo, ma'am, sa Hong Kong? Dito sa Manila, laging ulan. Ngayon, ang lakas naman ng kulog. Baka uulan.